Good morning, children. I am Ramya, your science teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am here with another new interesting topic, our wonderful body. Okay, so our body consists of many parts. Yes, so from the top to bottom, there are many parts in our body which help us in many ways. Yes or no? So to understand, here is the picture of the body. Here is the picture of a whole body. You can see the number of parts like from top to bottom, like from the top, head. In the head region, head is covered with the hair. Hair will be preventing loss of heat from the body. Okay, head is covered with the hair. And coming to the face region, you are having the two eyes, one nose, mouth, ears. Okay, coming to the neck region, you are having the neck, stomach, chest, stomach, two hands, two legs, fingers for the hands, fingers for the legs, we call it as toes, and ankle, wrist, knee, etc. Elbows, here we call it as elbows. In the picture you can see very clearly. You can observe very clearly the different parts of your body. Okay, elbow, here this region we call it as elbow. In the same joint between the legs we call it as here knee. So different body parts are present in our body from the top to the bottom. Okay, from the top to the bottom. So in this picture you can see very clearly. This picture I will giving you as a homework. You need to identify the different parts of the body. Okay, so observe the picture carefully while you are seeing this video. So next we are moving on to the different parts of our body and how they are helping us to do many activities. Okay, first coming to the hands. First coming to the hands. How many hands you have? How many hands you have, beta? We have two hands, right hand, left hand. What we will do with our hands? We will write, clap, hold, catch. Yes? Now, chalk piece is there. Without holding with this chalk piece, can I write on the blackboard? No. Okay? So, now I am clapping. Now I am clapping with my hands. Next, what we are doing next? Write. I am able to write with my hand only. Okay? I am able to hold the things. Yes? So that is the use of hands. Next, coming to the legs. I have two legs. Why we have two legs? For walking. Yes, for running. And for jumping. Yes, we are having the legs for walking, running, jumping. Yes, we use our legs in these ways. Okay, to do different activities. We are having these parts in our body. Apart from these, in our body, we are having 5 friends. You know who are they? You know? No. How friends are there in our body, you can ask. Yes, we are having 5 friends in our body. Who are they? 5 friends. Who are they? What they will tell us? They will tell us surroundings. They tell about our surroundings. In our surroundings, what is going to happen will be telling by these 5 friends which are present in our body. We are going to see now that what are those 5 friends. First one is eyes. Wow, eyes. How many eyes you have? You have 2 eyes. What it will do, eyes? Eyes are able to see the things. You are able to see me with the help of your eyes only. Yes? Now I will ask this. What it is? You will say chalk piece. I will say what it is, black color. You say blackboard. So in this way you will know the shape, or you are able to see. You are able to see with the help of your eyes, and you can identify different colors also, different things also. Yes, with the help of your eyes. This is our first friend which help us to see. Second friend, ears. Second friend, ears. How many ears you have? 2 ears. You are having 2 ears. So what they will do? They will help us to hear the sounds. They help us to hear the sounds, different sounds. Yes. So I am talking. My voice is, you are able to hear my voice. Yes. Next, you have bell ringing sound. Okay. Horn sound. Baby crying sound. Dog barking sound. Okay, different kinds of sounds you are able to hear. Whether it is a good one or a bad one, you are able to hear the different sounds with the help of your ears. This is the second friend. Third friend, nose. Who is our third friend? Nose. What nose will do? Nose will identify the smell. Nose will help us to smell. You are, for example, you are in your bedroom, you are writing your homework. In the kitchen, your mother is preparing the special dish, biryani. Yes? So, you don't know what she is preparing. She didn't told you, your mother didn't told you that she is preparing the biryani. But you are both are in different rooms. So, as she is cooking in the kitchen, you are getting the smell of that biryani. Once you smell it, you go to your mother and told her that you are preparing the biryani, right, Mama? Will say. Your mother will say, how you guessed it? Because it is smelling. It is smelling. Who is helping here? Which friend? Which friend in your body is helping you? Nose. Your friend nose is helping to catch the different smells. Whether it is a good or a bad, different smells you can smell with your nose. And also breathing. And also breathing. That is nothing but taking air inside, giving out air. That is nothing but breathing. This is about the nose, our third friend. Fourth friend, tongue. Fourth friend, tongue. So, I gave you a chocolate. You all are my favorite students now. So, I gave you a chocolate to eat. So, I asked, how is the chocolate? What you will say immediately, ma'am? It is very sweet and very yummy. Yes. I gave you a bingo chips or kurkure. So, what you will do after eating if I ask you how is the taste? Madam, it is so spicy. So, who is telling you the different types of this sweet, spicy like this? Who is helping us? Tongue is helping us. And whatever the we are saying that it is sweet, it is spicy, that is nothing but what? Taste. That is nothing but the taste. So tongue is helping us to taste the things. Tongue is helping us to know the taste of the things. This is our fourth friend. Next, coming to our last friend, skin. Last friend is skin. Skin is completely covered by our body. Total from top to bottom, we are having the skin. Skin will help us to feel. Skin will help us to feel. So how you can feel? Now I gave a slap on your cheeks. You will feel pain. Yes, you will feel it is very painful and you start crying. Who told you that? How you came to know it is painful? Skin is only telling that it is painful. And I gave you a hot milk cup, hot milk cup to you. After holding it, you will say, Amma, it is very hot, I won't touch. Who told you that it is very hot? Skin only told it is very hot. I gave you ice cubes to catch in your hand. So, will you able to catch it for more time? No. Why? Because it is very cool. Who told you it is cool? Your skin is saying. So, skin will help us to feel. This is our fifth friend. As these all are helping us to know the different senses in our body. From the surroundings, they are helping us to know the senses. So we call it as a name, sense organs. What we call? Sense organs. Sense organs. So how many sense organs we are having, children? 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay? This is all about our wonderful body part 1. Now I will be giving you worksheet. Here is the worksheet for you. So first one is I dash with my eyes. I see with my eyes. I dash with my nose. I dash with my ears. I dash with my tongue. I dash with my skin. So we have talked about the 5 friends in our body, right? So how they are helping, that you have to write in this blank. Second question is, which part of our body do we use to clap? Which part? Yes, you are right. Third one is, how do our sense organs help us? How they will be helping us to know the surroundings, right? Next, last one is, this is a homework for you. I will be giving the picture in the worksheet which is sent in a WhatsApp. So here identify the different parts of the body. I will be giving you the picture of a body and I will be putting the arrow marks to the required part. There you have to write the name of the body part. So this is about the worksheet. I hope you all understood the class very well. Soon I will be coming with our wonderful body part 2. Till that time, stay home, stay